Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and then click on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Redmi and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Following that, also on Redmi, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few though, just for example. Now hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it? In here's some div pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and tap on Receive button. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access and point your Android's camera at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!